I will do an unboxing of my Yale digital padlock. That's the front, that's the sides. This is the back copy with all the information in it. Now let's open. It's very pretty. I choose the gold. There is a silver color also. I already registered the first fingerprint. Now let's see inside the box. There is a USB cable, micro SD to charge the padlock just in case it runs out of battery. The first fingerprint will serve as the admin, which is needed to register the second fingerprint and up to the 20th fingerprint. Micro SD if you run out of battery. To register the second fingerprint, you need the first fingerprint, my right index. You keep the lock open to register the second print and so on. Okay, just use your first fingerprint. You press for 8 seconds until the blue light is on. There, and now you're ready to register your second fingerprint. Register until the green light flashes and repeat the process for 4 times. A total of 5 times to register your new fingerprint. If red light flashes, it means it's failed. You have to do it over again. Now I can open the lock with my second fingerprint. Thank you so much for watching and take care always.